Great ones. Today we are learning measurements time, telling time more specifically. What are we learning today? Grade 1 measurements. We are learning how to tell time, name the seasons of the year, name and sequence months of the year through seasons, and place our birthdays on our monthly calendar. When is your birthday? Is it usually on a sunny day, a windy day, or a rainy day over the season? As you can see, there's a kid having ice cream on a summer birthday party along with their balloons. The seasons and months in South Africa. Months and seasons differ, but in summer, it starts off in December, January, February. If you're born within those 3 months, you know you usually have a summer day birthday. For the next season, it's autumn. Autumn has the month of March, April, May. If you're born on June, July, and August, you know you're born on a winter, on a cold winter. Lastly, if you're born on September, October, and November, your birthday is on the spring. What to expect in these different seasons? For summer, you are to expect hot beach vacation days, camping out with family, and ice cream, with a lot of swimming pool days. For autumn, you are to expect not cold, but cool days with leaves falling, and usually the leaves are like color brown, orange, and yellow. Quite windy, and it's a good time to harvest with a bit of pumpkins all around. Winter, very cold days. If some parts of South Africa, like northwest, are very far from the beach, experience snow and rain for the coastal areas of South Africa. We use a lot of umbrellas and gloves when we're going to school and snuggle up in our blankets and just drink a lot of hot cocoa. For spring, if you were born in September, October, and November, you know there's a lot of warm days, butterflies, cocoons just turned into butterflies, rainbows, gardening, and a bit of allergies because most flowers have bloom out their pollens, their eggs. Summer days, what to expect? As we said, hot, sunny days. You can see a dog just got out of the lake because it's a sunny day, probably into a camping vacation. A lot of beach days with family, and you know you need sunscreen and sunglasses for that. It's around the month of December, January, February. We start off with summer. The next season, still on summer. It has a lot of succulent fruits such as berries and watermelons. Having a lot of play dates with friends because it's very hot and sunny outside. If your birthday is on autumn, the next following season after summer is autumn. Your birthday must be March, April, or May. What to expect in these days? Windy and cool days, mostly cloudy, not all the time. A lot of tree falls, leading you to rake up a lot of those leaves. Harvest seasons for vegetables such as pumpkin. As you can see it's a lot of pumpkin, a lot of leaves. Winter. Winter is quite rainy days with a little sun and sometimes no sun at all. You should be born around the months of June, July, and August, right after autumn. Cold days sometimes has snow, depending which part of the country you live. A lot of hot cocoa drinking. Springtime. If you're born around September, October, November, you know your days are filled with blooming flowers, baby animals just been born. It's a very good time to plant a garden. A little warm and light drizzle rains causing a lot of rainbows if your birthday is on spring. What does mom want you to do? Well, because I know all of my kids are smart learners, ma'am has posted a quiz on Edmodo for grade 1 measurements, answering all the questions of, on which month you were born and season of the year is your birthday. See you later, my bright stars. For parents, you may get the information at the description box for Edmodo. Bye!